Hello, this is Suemae. We're gonna teach you how to meditate. This is my daily creative process. I usually go to the beach and practice Tai Chi, meditation, and Qigong, where I cultivate my energy so that is the very, very best. So when I come home, I'm ready to paint, okay? So transport yourself to the beach. Visualize that you are at the beach. I usually go to the beach and I can hear the sound of the wave in and out. So you become like the ocean. And I incorporate Tai Chi into these movements as well. It's just spontaneous Tai Chi and Qigong. Breathe and relax. So over the years, I have used a few words to help us to get stable and grounding. The first word is peace. And the word peace and balance, the way I translate it is it's between heaven and earth. You divide it equally in everything you do. Take care of yourself and focus on what's important. The word peace and balance. Ping an, ping is the Chinese word. And an is safety. It's the female meditating under her house so that she has peace and tranquility, and then therefore the whole family is happy. Ping an. And then I create a gentle smile. If you smile and you're happy, your painting will be beautiful. So cultivate good energy, good life force. And then another word is ease. Ease does not mean it's easy. It means that you are at ease and comfort. It takes time and energy to find that peace and tranquility that you're looking for. Ease. And smile. And feeling open and spacious. Grace. The word grace is en hui in Chinese. En is like favor, hui is grace. And the word grace, the literal translation of that word is you're the bigger person in whatever situation. And at the same time, you're working over your heart. Continue smiling and visualize that you are floating on top of the water and just relaxing. So we have the word ping an, peace and tranquility, ease and grace. And then the word clarity is that you are cleansed by the water, sitting with our Creator, and you are gazing at the moon. Gazing at the moon. So that word is qing. Qing is clarity. It's 3 thoughts of water, and the Lord, and then the moon. Clarity. So these are revelations I have accumulated over the years. And the calligraphy has hidden meanings behind them. And they are beautiful once you understand it. And then the word kindness is 善良. 善 is the word of the lamb, the symbol of the lamb, yang, and then grass, and then mouth. So the way I interpret it, if you have kindness, your words will be kind, like a gentle lamb, and sitting over the grass. Continue smiling, feeling open and spacious. So your energy is full and delightful, open and spacious. And smile. So we'd review those words. Peace and tranquility, ease and grace, peace, and then breathe out beauty through your hands. So next segment you will grind ink and then practice calligraphy and then painting. So that concludes our meditation. Thank you for watching.